Let's see how to easily clear Google Chrome browser cache and cookies. On your computer, open the Google Chrome browser and click on this three dot and hover over on History and click on History. And here we can see all of my browsing history showing. To delete all of them at once, just go to Delete Browsing Data section and here select a time range. If you want to delete all your Chrome browser cache and cookies, then select here all time and make sure to select your browsing history and must select here cookies and other site data. Also select here cached images and files, and you can also delete your download history. Now if you click on show more, here you'll get other settings, so I don't recommend to select autofill from data option, so this will delete your saved all passwords, so don't select this option. Click on clear data, and that's how we can actually clear our Chrome browser cache and cookies. Thanks for watching.